about to get the VFR, baby.
Okay.
Today we are trading the Mean Streak 1600 for the legendary Honda VFR800. Follow us on this adventure. Nothing more peaceful than the country back road life. Here's the advertisement for the bike that we're trading for today. This is the VFR800. Here is a few pictures. Sorry about the shaky video, guys. We are on the road. Few photos of the VFR800. Super clean. I really love the single-sided swing arm. I really can't wait to hear this bike in person, especially with the Two Brothers exhaust. Now I'm getting ready to show you just a few advertisements for other VFR800s to show you pretty much just how good of a deal we're getting today. Here's a few advertisements for other VFR800s. This guy, he wants $7,000 for his VFR800. This dude, he wanted $6,000, but he dropped the price to $35,000. He has almost 50,000 miles, so I do not blame him for the price drop. This guy, he wants $6,000 for his VFR800. This person wants $6,300 for his VFR800. And this guy wants $6,000 for his VFR800. Considering that we only spent $1,700 for our Mean Streak 1600, we are getting a steal of a deal today, guys. Just stopped real quick for gas. Definitely gonna miss the Mean Streak, guys. But on to bigger and better things. Here come little mama. You look gorgeous, baby. All right, guys, we got little mama and the baby. Just wanted to let you know that we are 10 minutes away. We got the Mean Streak back there. My queen is looking absolutely adorable. I love your glasses, baby.
Thank you, baby.
And then we got baby Callie back there, sipping on some juice. All right, he's pulling up, y'all. Oh yeah, yes sir, you're good. Wow, it's pretty clean.
Wow.
It's pretty clean.
Sorry once again, I know some people in the world don't respect other people's time, but I try to.
Oh, it's okay.
Bullshit pop up.
Yes sir.
I tried to do a good deed and go to O'Reilly's. I took it out, went to O'Reilly's. Like, got to the door and like opens at 9. All right, AutoZone's running nearby. All of them open at 9. Like,
I see.
You later? What?
Yeah, I understand, man. To me, that's like a minor. That's minor, so.
Ridden sport bikes before?
Yep.
Okay, so it's not going to be like some like, oh my god, that's the fastest thing in the world. But at 7,000 RPM, once it's warmed up to at least 150 degrees Fahrenheit, is right here.
Yep.
All 4 valves per cylinder open up, like to exhaust to it, take valves per cylinder open up, and you'll notice audible change and power change and stuff. So it goes
Nice.
from like
Oh, that's
Oh,
awesome.
wow.
So,
Wow.
but,
That's pretty cool.
so if you're just cruising and want to save gas, keep it under 7,000 RPM. If you want to get up and go, go over 7,000.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
I mean, she loves the RPM. She don't mind them at all. Actually, she prefers. It seems like mentally she prefers like at least 4,000 to 5,000 RPM. Like other than that, it's just like oh yeah.
Okay. Nice. Yeah, pretty clean looking bike.
A little dropped in the garage.
Yeah, I remember you mentioning that.
I broke this. This is obviously new, but I broke it.
Okay.
Let's see.
Man, the paint on this is very clean.
Let's see. I mean, I could do a better job at cleaning her up.
Now, what tire had a problem? Is it the front?
The front tire. It's pumped up right now. I just checked. It's like at 40 right now. The normal PSI recommended is 36. The back is 42 according to what's written.
And so the tire got damaged itself?
Yeah, it's just, as you can see, pretty darn near brand new tire. But I tried to put it on myself, and I've successfully put on motorcycle tires before. But it's tube tires like cruisers, like maybe not that cruiser, but other cruisers have. And it's a little harder to put on. Basically, right when I found a tiny rip in the bead, like the bead where it sits in the rim, I was like, screw this, before I mess it up, I want to take it to a professional, let him put it on, and he did, and he told me, it's like, it's probably going to leak, and he said there's no real safety thing going on there, but it will leak from the bead.
Okay.
But I mean, I've driven it to the beach with that front tire, driven it fast with the front tire. I'm not worried about the safety of it.
Okay.
So,
That's good to hear.
but
You want to take a look at the Cruiser real quick?
yeah. And I got some hands manual in there.
Okay.
Clear screen.
So I did the vinyl wrap. If that's something you don't like, you can easily do. Back tire's brand new. And I've done a full tune-up on the bike, like I mentioned to you in the messenger. So you're not gonna have to worry about anything for a very long time as far as tune-up goes.
I'm definitely probably not going to be popping wheelies like I will on that.
Oh yeah.
But I don't slam it down either like a good condition.
Okay.
I'm not like a hooligan. I don't like do stunts and stuff on it, but I can work on getting mine out. You know?
Yep.
You gonna YouTube it?
Yeah, we actually have a YouTube channel. Yes, sir. Yeah, we
famous?
do. Yep, it's called Two Wheel Family.
You famous?
I wouldn't say famous.
A few thousand, or you got millions?
No, we don't have millions of subscribers. I think we're only at like 50,000 subscribers. Yeah, that's it. Yep. We just have a strong love for bikes.
I grew up on dirt bikes and stuff. I still got 2002 Honda XR200 in the garage.
Wow.
Well, actually, outside the garage.
Nice.
So, had it since I was 12 years old.
Oh, that's awesome. That's cool. Now, if you would rather just do a jump start, we could just move it to my wife's, the front of my wife's SUV, and do it that way.
I mean, I could try it. Sometimes you could just get lucky.
Yeah, sure.
But, supposed to lock a little better. I never had it come off or nothing like that, but
I've never seen a battery. Never seen a battery here, like located like that. That's
Oh,
that's really
wow.
cool. That's different.
I just had it out this morning trying to replace it.
Here, Tyne, I'll grab the jumper cables.
Yes, sir. Wow.
And the brakes, they're good. Small brakes, and I looked in here and they looked great. Then I got rid of it.
Oh, it's okay.
Just for shits and giggles, changed the flush fluid. There was nothing wrong with it, just maintenance. If you Sound of it has that unique sound.
Yeah, it does sound really good.
Yeah, this bike's solid, man. It's solid. It's not. It's good to go. Yeah, I think that wheelie was me letting you know I'm down to trade. Yes, sir. Man, that hat, that sucker wasn't gonna stay on.
Right?
All right, yeah, let's do it. First thing, let's have you take a look at what I got now, because she's extremely solid, super healthy. Yeah, baby, the car, solid.
Good.
Yeah, that thing's loud. You definitely fill in the cruiser, I'll put it that way. I look like a little kid on it. You look like Arnold Schwarzenegger.
You're so stupid.
I'm here, I'll grab the title, because it's obviously clean and clear for the meet.
Yeah, I got mine, but I didn't fill it out yet because I don't do titles a lot. Well, I can read, but I want to make sure I do it right.
Yep. Clean and clear, no title brands. Saying goodbye to the mean streak.
Bye, Main Street.
And hello, VFR800. Just made it home, guys. Oh yeah, we got little Callie sitting on the VFR 800. You look so cool, baby Callie. I'm ordering the upgraded cam chain tensioners tonight. I'll be ordering an oil change kit for this, spark plugs. We're gonna do a coolant flush. I want you guys to comment down below and tell me what type of bikes do you ride? Even if it's a quad, a dirt bike, if that's your thing, if you don't ride a motorcycle, tell me what type of vehicle is your love, your passion, the thing that you cannot stop getting on, okay? But just know, guys, we love you so much, and stay safe. Until next time, peace.
Peace.